Well, you're the perfect person for this job because your enthusiasm, you've got it. You've got the Red Rock fever, and it's going to stay because we're not letting him leave. He's staying here. He's going to stay here. And a lot of people don't know this, but I'm going to share a little secret. David is an actor. I'm just saying.
Well, that yeah, that is a secret. So nobody there. This is going to be cut, of course. No, it's been a while, but I've spent some time on the boards, and I'm looking forward to spending some time doing a little improv, perhaps with you, and just enjoying everything Sedona. That's all I'm about right now. It's just I love this place. I love the people that are here. I love everything that's going on, and I just want to tell people about it. And fortunately, that's in my job description.
A lot of fun. And here's the thing. You're just jumping in, and that's what's so wonderful about you being in this position. The Sedona Chamber of Commerce is a phenomenal chamber of commerce. Many towns have great commerces, chambers. They have really good chamber of commerces, I should say. Is that what we say? The thing is that the Sedona Chamber of Commerce is so involved in the city. The city and the chamber here in this town are basically taking care of all of us. And it's an exciting group. And you're wonderful. You're a terrific fit for this.
Thank you. And you've kind of said it for me, and that's nice to have that third-party endorsement, but you are absolutely right. This is a world-class, yes, top-notch, one of the best staffs. This is a combination Chamber of Commerce and Convention and Visitors Bureau. So it's Chamber of Commerce doing a lot of the things that can be done for local businesses to help them do the things they need to do, but also on the Chamber Convention and Visitor Bureau side, sometimes those two are split. And in this case, the Chamber is the Convention and Visitors Bureau because Sedona's primary business is tourism. So it makes perfect sense. And the people we have on staff are just outstanding. I mean, we've got wonderful public relations people. Our salespeople are terrific. Our membership person is wonderful. Of course, Jennifer Wesselhoff is the best. Yeah, she's outstanding.
She is. She's awesome. Jennifer, we love you. We absolutely adore you. Yes, and I'll stand on 2 chairs to announce that. I did that the other night for a mixer. Anyway, well, thank you, David, so much for being here. And I know you're going to go back into the gala here at the Hilton Sedona Resort. Oh, I'm telling you, you're going to have a blast.
Thank you. It's really my pleasure to be here, and I'm humbled to be here, happy to be here, and thank you again for the welcome.
You're very welcome, and welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Fantastic. We've got some great people here at the Sedona Chamber of Commerce. If you want to know anything about Sedona, just make sure that you visit the SedonaChamberofCommerce.com. I believe that's what it is, isn't it?
Visit Sedona.com.
Okay.
And Sedona Chamber of Commerce. SedonaChamber.com.
SedonaChamber.com. And, of course, Sedona.biz as well. You know about that. Thank you, David, so much.
Thank you.
So nice to have you here.
Appreciate the opportunity.
And welcome to Sedona.
Thank you.
Thanks.